Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're finding it harder to stay organized with a growing task list, or if you're just curious about how to make ClickUp work smarter for you, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically based on custom fields, or even randomly. This is especially helpful if you're managing a busy schedule or trying to organize your project workflow. ClickUp provides a straightforward way to customize the order of your tasks to better suit your needs. So let's get started. First, you want to log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, where you can oversee your projects and tasks. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're working in the correct one. Task views, sorting, and custom fields can vary between them. Navigating through ClickUp might seem overwhelming at first, but with clear steps, you'll soon be a pro at organizing your workspace. Next, locate the Space section on the left panel, a dedicated area where your projects are organized. Click on Space, and this will open a list of all the various spaces you've created or are part of. Identifying the correct space is crucial because it houses your related tasks and projects. Think of Space as a container for specific projects or workflows, making it easier to manage your tasks collectively. Once you've opened your chosen space, you'll then want to navigate to the Board view. Click on Board, which will display your tasks in a way that visually resembles a Kanban board. Board view is ideal for teams who like to see their tasks moving through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done, and sorting here helps prioritize what gets tackled first. This view is particularly useful for dragging and dropping tasks as needed, and it'll also give you a visual overview of where everything sits in the process. It's an intuitive way to manage tasks if you are someone who prefers visual representation. After settling on the board view, look towards the top of your workspace where you'll find the Sort option. Click on Sort, and this is where the magic happens. From here, you have the ability to control how your tasks are ordered. The sorting feature is designed to give you various options to arrange your tasks in a way that suits your workflow. By choosing Task Name from the Sort menu, you can easily organize your tasks alphabetically. This is particularly useful if your tasks are labeled by client name, product ID, or job number, helping you find what you need without endless. This option is perfect for when you're dealing with a lot of tasks and want to streamline your view to locate items quickly. If projects involve clients or alphabetical filing systems, this method makes fetching a task simple and fast. You can also sort by custom fields like priority, status, or any custom label you've set up. Great for tailoring the view to how your team works. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize your tasks in a manner that best suits your operational needs. Whether you want alphabetical order for quick access or wish to sort by custom fields to match project priorities, ClickUp provides flexible options for all. Don't forget, you can save your sorting preferences using the Save View option so that every time you open the board, your tasks stay sorted just the way you like. Implement these steps today and watch how they transform your task management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the rest of our guides for more productivity tips. If this video helped you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which sorting method works best for you. Also, let me know what other ClickUp features you'd like a walkthrough on next. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next one.